What makes the iForge unique is not the location, it's not the equipment, but it's the students. The iForge is run by students for students. It's specifically designed to be a place where students learn through making. And what makes it different from a traditional workshop is that the students own it.
As a rep, I'm one of the representatives at the first student-run makerspace in the entire of the country, which is great. Part of my role means that I get to train and mentor students who want to come in and turn their ideas into reality. So the idea is whenever someone comes in the door, if they've got an idea, we say, yeah, we're going to help you make that happen.
We had a module on our science communication course where we had to come up with an exhibit for a science festival. We wanted to show the children who were coming to the event what a tornado looked like. So we created this box here in iForge to make a tornado inside the box.
Speaking to students, I think they've been really engaged with the fact that we're trying to be much more than just a makerspace. They really like the events that we've put on, so the Halloween makey events, the Christmas makey events. I think that's really given people a lot of encouragement that we're not just trying to be a makerspace that you can only come and use if you know what you're doing. When I came into the space, I was by no stretch an expert on all the machinery. The whole point is the iForge gives you the skills to be able to learn this new machinery and then teach others.
The reps have a real tight-knit community, but then our user base has become a real community as well, so we've got people that are regularly in at the same time each week or working on certain projects, and we all get to know each other and get involved and help each other out. We still get people coming in that are amazed at what's available and what they can use. It's been very positive.
To someone who's thinking of just coming into the iForge, I would just say don't be scared, don't be intimidated, just come in and give it a go. Talk to the reps, and as soon as you talk to them you'll feel at ease and you'll feel more confident in using the machinery, and then you get to create something like really cool to take home with you.
We needed the support of the university here, which has been really fantastic, but we've also had some great support from charitable foundations like the Reese Foundation, from alumni and from industry partners as well, and that's been something that the students themselves have been really great at initiating and something that we hope to continue to do. What really excites me and shows me that it's been a success is coming in here and seeing happy makers, seeing relaxed students who are learning, often without even realising it. They come in because they've got a project that they want to do for fun, and they go out having learned how to 3D print, how to laser cut, how to use hand tools.
One thing I would say to prospective students looking at Sheffield is consider this as a very unique opportunity. I remember going around universities and looking at open days, and I don't remember seeing any sort of facilities at any other university where you have a completely unrestricted space to come and make whatever you want.
It's helped me in my bigger picture. It's definitely kind of glued everything together for me. One of my goals is to hopefully have a company of my own. I'll be much more grounded, know roughly what's coming, and be a lot more confident because of the iForge.
Having something like the iForge on your CV and being able to talk about that in interviews, for myself personally, has been invaluable. It's the first thing that I talk about in interviews, sort of the transferable skills I gained. I think it's something we have that's really unique here in Sheffield.
I think our big vision for it is to not just be a makerspace, it's to be so much more. So we really want to emphasise this big community. So making this not just a community for students and makers to come, but also for the wider Sheffield community to engage with.
As a teacher at the university, I loved seeing students being responsible for their own learning. Ultimately, the iForge is all about removing barriers to making and encouraging students to reach their full potential, and I don't think you'll find another place like this in the UK.